Are you looking for the best ergonomic keyboards? In this video we will look at some of the best ergonomic keyboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Logitech ERGO K860 Ergonomic Keyboard. For most people looking for an ergonomic keyboard, we recommend the Logitech ERGO K860. It is a very comfortable plush wrist rest and a wave-like shape that effectively creates two separate key clusters on either side of the board, one for each hand. This shape aligns your hands, wrists, and elbows in a neutral position that isn't as taxing on your body as a conventional keyboard and can help you stay comfortable while typing, especially if you use your keyboard for long stretches. While it's made entirely of plastic, it feels high quality and sturdy overall. The switches on this keyboard are light to press, so you don't need to worry about tiring out your fingers while you type. These switches are also very quiet, which is great if you're worried about bothering those around you in the office or at home. Also, you can connect this keyboard wirelessly with its USB receiver or via Bluetooth, so you don't need to worry about a cable getting in the way of placing your keyboard in a position that's most comfortable for you. Number 2. Logitech Wave Keys Ergonomic Keyboard. The Logitech Wave Keys is our recommendation if you're looking for a mid-range ergonomic keyboard. It has a much smaller footprint on your desk than the other options on this list, but includes all the same keys as a full-size keyboard like the Logitech ERGO K860 above. It has a curved key layout that tends upwards slightly towards the middle. This overall design isn't as radical as a truly split key cluster layout like the ERGO K860. Still, it comes close to offering a similarly neutral typing posture and does a good job of limiting how steeply you need to angle your wrists while typing. The Logitech's design is quite compact overall, but it is an integrated wrist rest, so it's still fairly deep and isn't a particularly portable option. That said, it's still a great versatile choice for moving between spots in your home or between hot desks in the office, as it connects wirelessly with a USB receiver or via Bluetooth with up to 3 devices at once. Its compact design also means its keys are spaced just a bit closer than most standard keyboards. This doesn't negatively impact how comfortable it is to type on, but it can take some getting used to at first. Number 3. Kensington KB675 Pro Ergonomic Keyboard. The compact Kensington Pro Fit Ergo sells for $70 at full price, but is often on sale for around $55. That makes it a good budget board, but it feels much more premium than the price tag suggests. The membrane keys are surprisingly springy and the low-profile keycaps make typing easy. The wrist rest, especially when combined with the negative tilt, hits my palms at just the right spot, not putting pressure on my tendons while keeping the backs of my wrists straight. Of course, different hand sizes will have different experiences, but my men's medium/women's large mitts were comfortable. It connected easily via Bluetooth or radio dongle to both the Mac and PC. I tried, staying reliably connected and woke quickly from sleep, and the LED indicator for the rechargeable battery stayed green, full. Over the month or so of testing in which I used it and stored it intermittently, recharging is simple via the USB port. While it's simple to switch to a Mac or Windows layout, the keyboard works better as a PC peripheral. Kensington's software allows you to reprogram the function keys and a few specialty keys with shortcuts or macros, but I couldn't get the software to work with my Mac. It performed fine with my PC laptop, but this probably isn't the keyboard to get if you want customized key remapping anyway. If you just want a relatively inexpensive keyboard that's far more comfortable to type on than most, this is a good one to grab. Number 4. Kinesis Gaming Freestyle Edge Ergonomic Keyboard. As I said in our guide to ergonomic mice, my sporadic, console-only gaming does not make me a gamer, but I have a decent understanding of what gamers might like. PC gamers who rely on the WASD keys may appreciate not having to contend with the right side of a keyboard at all, and instead use that space for their mouse. The Freestyle Edge from Kinesis is a gaming variation on the brand's original Freestyle 2 is a fully split model with Cherry MX mechanical switches. The tactile brown ones in my tester unit had a satisfying click and a not overly loud clacking noise. The wrist rests are removable and clever folding legs give you 3 height options for tenting and can also be removed completely. It is backlit, with pucky RGB lights and 9 macros buttons that can be programmed with the configuration app or without it using keyboard commands. All of this may appeal if you're looking for a programmable gaming keyboard with a few ergonomic tricks. Just keep in mind that all of those features add up to a somewhat bulky peripheral.